Hello everyone, it's Captain FX of FIMAB FinTech Company, and today I would like to talk on some of the trades we are holding in our VIP subscription channel and on some of the progress of what we have been making in the VIP subscription channel. Well, so from Monday of this week up to this day, we have just taken 3 trades. We had a trade on New Zealand USD, which was taken on Monday, and thereafter we had a trade on Euro Pound, and today we had a trade on Canadian Swiss franc. So we had a trade on New Zealand USD, and this was a setup. Actually, this was a setup. You can see that we had a support at this point here at 0.66197, and already there was a rejection from this point here, and the market indicated that it could push back to 0.66863. So we had our buy limits at this price, and we had our stop loss at this price, and we had our take profits. And as you can see, this trade had a really good risk to reward ratio of almost 3 or 4. Unfortunately, it did not go well because it was triggered. Of course, our buy limits are pending orders were triggered, as you can see, and thereafter the market did gain much momentum, and we lost this trade. As you can see, the support was broken, and we lost let's say if you risked 1% of your account, if you risked 2% or 3%, 5% whatsoever, but the first trade of the week was a loser. As you can see, we were taken out as the market broke this support. So this was the first trade of our VIP subscription channel, and it was a loser. The second trade I sent was actually it was sent on August 3rd. I think it was Monday also, if not Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, it was Monday. Well, so I sent this signal on Euro Pound. As you can see, of course, I saw a lot of consolidation, and the market had been very bearish in recent days. So we could have seen some retracement before we can see another bearish impulsive wave to the downside. So I sent we entered this trade at the market price, and we had our stop loss just below these wicks, and we had a good trade of almost 2 point something risk to reward ratio. So this was the signal: buy Euro Pound at current market price, stop loss 17 pips from entry. The first take profit 9453, and second take profit is open because the market might keep going up, so we would like to benefit with that. Price indicates for retracement before we can see another sell off. Lower your risk on this trade as we are trading against the recent trade. So if you were using 5% or maybe 4%, you had to use 2% or 1%. Why? Because we were trading against the recent trade. So this is the trade. Actually, I will remove this Fibonacci retracement tool so as you can have a clear view. You can see this was our entry at this point here, and currently the market is in a good profit. You can see this as a 2.85 risk to reward ratio, almost 3 risk to reward ratio. So if this trade hits our take profit, which is just a few pips from our take profit, as you can see, it is just a few pips from our take profit. If it hits our take profit, that means this will cover, it is almost 10 or 11 pips from our take profit. So if it hits our take profit, that means it will cover the loss we took on New Zealand USD, and we'll have profits. This is why you must always use a good risk to reward ratio related to how much are you risking on each trade, because at the end of the day, the winners must take over the losses you have been taking so that you can be profitable in the long run. So on this trade, actually we are waiting to see if this trade will hit our take profit, and if it hits our take profit, we'll have gained 2.85% if you risked 1%. If you risked 5%, then you'll have more than 10% gain on this trade. And remember, on every trade we open more than one position. So if you opened more than one position, this is the first take profit, and the second take profit will be updated in our VIP Telegram channel. And we normally, after hitting our first take profit, we normally trail and secure some profits by using our trading stop loss. So we are waiting to see what will be happening with this trade. Actually, it has been acting well, and currently it is risk free. We have moved our stop loss to our break even right here. After moving today, just after the London session, I told the members that trade is in good profit, move stop loss to break even. So they made it risk free. And the second trade, the third trade of the week, I sent it today. It was on Canadian Swiss franc. As you can see, it had a retracement, and now we can see another impulsive wave to the downside. So I sent this today. It was almost at 11:38 a.m. in the morning. Canadian Swiss franc, signal sell Canadian at the market price, stop loss 25 pips and take profit 0.652. So if you look just now, you can see that the trade is already in profit. It is in a good profit. As you can see, the market is pushing down. It is in a good profit of around 32 or 33 pips in our favor. So I'll be updating on these two later on. We'll have to move our stop loss to our break even, so whatever happens in the market, we don't have anything to worry because our trade is risk free. Alright, so these are the trades we have taken up to this point today on Tuesday. We have taken 3 trades. We had a trade on New Zealand USD, which took us out at so we lost the first trade of the week, and we are in a good profit on New Zealand USD currently, so in a good profit, heading for a take profit. And also we are in a good profit on Canadian Swiss franc, which is showing good signs. As you can see, it is heading below, and remember that the markets fall faster than the rise. So this is what's happening in our VIP Telegram channel. Actually, I will share how you can join. I will share the link which tells you how you can join our VIP subscription channel. Thanks all for listening, and I hope I'll see you soon in my VIP subscription channel. Thanks.